Hi guys, good morning.
Morning. Okay, first of all, happy family day. Today is
Happy family
day.
days.
We wish you all the best in your families. And now we have a new vlog today. We're going to
Ikea!
Ikea! Because there's a really
Yeah.
cool family event going on, so we're gonna show you everything.
See you!
This Ikea is in Vaughan, so now we're actually in Vaughan station. It's the terminal station for line 1, and we're currently exiting the station. We have to walk for like 15 minutes, I assume, and we're gonna go to Ikea. So just to explain a little bit more about what this event is about. As you know, Ikea has a membership program that is called Ikea Family, and we're part of it as a family. And this event is about assembling Ikea furniture and making them like together as a family. And in the end, after you're finished, you get to keep whatever the thing that you have built from Ikea is. So it's actually really fun, and I would love to see it and to try it together with TV. So let's see.
Let's do it!
vlogger, actually.
Yeah, that's great. We should work together.
Yeah.
So record all of this and we will talk after.
Okay.
Okay, so this is for you guys. You will take the time to do it. It's for children more, so it's kind of easy, but still the same 3 rules. First, read the instructions. Screw straight as much as you can, and have fun.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
No worries. You can
It's
use
about the
any-
experience after all. so.
Exactly. And if you record that poster, we can talk about it.
Sure.
So that we can easily repair.
How are we doing here? Yeah, we're almost done. Yeah, okay, no gaps, okay?
And making sure it's easy for every single piece to be repurposed, remanufactured, and then, at the very end,
What
recycled.
do you find the most difficult part?
Things would last so much longer.
Yeah, exactly. Javier stress. Yeah. Quieres hacer stress y por that reason sometimes we have a lot of people returning furniture because we don't take care that it doesn't go all the way. We don't use labels, so that small things that we have at the
Business
moment.
loans become circular so that we can make it easier for people to live somewhere else, by someone else, as something else entirely.
There we go. Perfect. You see? So now you have to check the legs.
It's moving. Hold on.
This is the table. Don't trust in this table.
Okay, sure.
Yes,
But at least, yeah, you can see you don't have gaps here. That is what happens with all the furniture. So what you guys learn?
Team building.
Team building.
Yeah.
Have lunch before.
Yeah, sure. That's also important. Read the instructions. That's also important.
And fun.
Have fun. Exactly. Perfect. Okay. Somebody for us.
Thank you so
So
much.
much fun.
Thank you. Thank you so
Have a great
much.
day. Hey guys, how are you?
As you can see, we finished it already. This is a success. We also signed it here to say that it's IKEA family brand. And it's free because we built it ourselves. So yeah, we got a table.
Yeah, maybe in 15 years. Everybody. So I'm gonna open it so you guys can do it.
Have fun, guys.
Okay, thank
Have
you so
fun.
much.
How do you feel, baby?
Winners!
Yeah! Yeah, we
This is
did
our
it.
table now. It's a kid's table, but I mean we have Cookie, so it works.
Oh, it's okay.
A table for Cookie. Okay, he's like a happy child. Okay, so the whole experience was about building something together as a family, which is really fun. I expected something more difficult, but as the woman said, it's actually also for kids, so like even kids would want to build that, and it was really fun and cute, and it's free after all. Like this table costs $13, $12.99, and we got it for free, so it's worth it. It's worth it, why not? And also we had the fun experience. Now we're gonna go find the restaurant because we're gonna eat Ikea food. The best, the best, the best, the best, the best. As you can see, for Ikea family, everybody is in Ikea. It's the most familiar place for everybody. So there's a long line at the food section. We're gonna have to find something anyway. What is this one? It's salmon? Salmon? Okay, we can get this one with fries. Yeah. Veggies? Sure, yeah.
Large mac and cheese, coleslaw, one macaroni salad, and 2 soft drink. That's it. Do you have IKEA family card?
Yeah, we do. So we got the macaroni and cheese, which is my dish. Got the salmon, smoked salmon with the, I don't remember what this was, probably broccoli, hash brown, I think, something like this. The fries, the veggies, this was a sauce that I don't remember, 2 salads, I also got the pasta salad and the mac and cheese, so I got both, and the cola, and today they said that kids meal is free, so we don't have a kids meal, but like just saying, because it's family day, and the second we have free coffee, so we're gonna get free coffee after. Pizza! Hand me the pizza, please. Hand me the pizza. This is what I love about IKEA. It just makes everything look so realistic. Everything is in its own space and place. I love this one. Oh, this is so cool. Imagine putting your vinyls in this one. How cool is this? And the desk. I love this. And this is also so cool. So cool. See? There's a dense one. Let's talk about this color combination. A green velvet and this blue over here. I love this. This is so like very different, and it's such a cool color combination. You want cupcakes? It's a fake cupcake. Wouldn't you love a kitchen like this? The color is amazing. It's this whole vibe of kind of industrial style, this countertop and everything. But as an architect and interior designer, I would not suggest having this black color over here, because every time you touch to open, this leaves a mark. So I know I love this color as well, but it's not convenient for cleaning. So I don't know. I wouldn't choose it for my house. And one of the cool things that IKEA has is that there are these computers here that you can plan your space right here. Like you can just go and put the dimensions in, you can switch and change the walls. I don't know if I can change this. Yeah, I can. So, like for example, this is my room. I would like to change it and see like if it's smaller, and I could put furniture here, I could put elements, heating, ventilation. There are so many things. Open. I can put a window. I can put a window here. I put a window. It's really fun. Oh no. So what do you want? That it?
So that is the color.
Okay, here we are. We finally finished the whole experience. It was really fun. We have our winner.
Yeah.
The famous table that we made ourselves. It's not about the thing that you get in the end. It's about the experience, and really had fun with it. We also ate lunch, as you saw in the video. It was a fun day, like just spending a nice afternoon here at IKEA Vaughan. I'm looking forward to seeing the new events and everything that IKEA has to offer again. I'm always really open, and I love IKEA, so like, of course. Okay, if you like the vlog, please subscribe, and see you on the next
Like,
vlogs.
comment. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Cause you